Welcome to Sq.ft Housing. My name is Amandeep and today I am here to assist you regarding one of the luxurious property at Bandra. Welcome to the new launch property which is called as in The Address by Raymond Realty at Bandra location. So this is the one of the luxurious property which is developed in 3 acres of land parcel. Come, let's check out the property. So in 3 acres there would be 4 towers, tower A, B, C and tower D. As well as if I speak about the amenities, there would be 30 plus amenities in this property. If I speak about the configuration, the configurations would be 2 BHKs, 3 BHKs and 4 BHK apartments in this. The carpets will be ranging from 650 ending up to 1400 square feet. Thank you for joining with us today and watching my video. For more details, please click on the link below, as well as please don't forget to like, share, subscribe.